Hey folks, just a really quick message about some hints about using regular expressions in Snort rules. So if we look at this rule, here's an example of how you can use regular expressions in a Snort rule. So what you can, as you know, you can include a content string, which is basically an exact match of the bytes or string within a stream or a packet that we're looking for on the network. In this case, on port 80, you can use no case to ignore capitalization after a content string. With Perl compatible regular expressions, you can achieve the same thing with using the I after the final slash. So you have Perl compatible regular expression, PCRE, and then you have a forward slash, and then the regular expression string that you're trying to match against, and then a forward slash, and then in any of the options that you want to use. So an I is for case insensitive. And in this case, what we're doing is we're looking for the word exfiltration, followed by a semicolon space, and then this means any character that is between 0 and 9 inclusive, so a number basically. And so this is a nice thing that we can do using regular expressions, which would be a lot more complicated to do just like by listing every possible one of those combinations as a content rule. So, you know, it's quite good, but you should always include, it's good practice to include a standard content match in addition to any regular expression matching. You know, in real life you want to include both so that it's faster. Because if you include a content match, it will check before using the regular expression engine on the string that there is actually something that you're going to be looking for in there. So you can say, if it's got the word exfiltration in it, then use Perl compatible regular expression and look for that followed by a number. And then once we've done that rule, we can restart it. I'm just going to keep an eye on our Snort alert file by following the file. So we're looking at it. These alerts are from previous, but let's keep an eye out for any new alerts. And then here, I'm going to trigger the alert by basically just connecting to a web server on that port. And if we do exfiltration and something else, it doesn't match. But if we send on the network, and then we managed to trigger our rule. So, you know, it's successfully looking for a number rather than something else. And that's just an easy thing to do with regular expressions, which would be more difficult otherwise.